Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video we're going to be doing the January Bellabox, so let's get into it. So this time it was in a plastic bag instead of the box, the cardboard box this time, so interesting. And as always, our special little blue box, so I wonder what's inside. So of course, it's New Year, so Happy New Year. And we've got some amazing goodies. So the first thing I see is this, and it is a Face Day Moisturizer Matte from Kent's Council. So it's a sunscreen moisturizer that makes you matte, and I'm dry and I don't want that.
Why are you doing this to us?
Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays with Cancer Council's Face Day Wear Moisturizer. Perfect for wearing under makeup. This ultra lightweight, non-greasy, hydrating facial sunscreen will quickly become your favorite moisturizer. This is just a sample, but this 75ml full size is $15. Available at Coles, Woolies, Chemist Warehouse, and Priceline. Not keen when I saw that there could have been a sunscreen in the box this month. I was a bit like, are you kidding me? I'm sick of getting sunscreens. Like, I know we live in Australia, but I own sunscreen. And also the fact that it's matte just makes it even worse because I have dry skin. I want something to like hydrate me. Not so much, but when you're in the sun, you're hot, you need hydration. Your skin is burning, it's becoming dehydrated. The sun is taking that moisture away from you when you sweat, so you need something hydrating. I don't know why I need matte. Anyway, on to the next. We have these Blaq charcoal wipes. It's just a sample of 5 wipes. But the 25 pack is $6 available at Priceline. Remember us getting a Blaq mask from them a few boxes ago, and I didn't like that mask very much. Just didn't work for me, didn't take anything out of my pores. It basically just took a layer of skin off and that was it. But these say, made from skincare heaven, this soft wipe instantly removes dirt and makeup, pre-soaked with detoxifying charcoal infused formula. It is perfect for cleansing on the go. So I will definitely use it. Not exciting to get face wipes, but you know, it is what it is. I'll use them, but it's not an exciting product. Plus there's only 5 wipes. If they gave us a full size set of wipes, awesome, you know? Next we've got some Sachet Samples from Marc Daniels Professional. It says it is a Luminous Blonde Leave-In Toner. Not sure how I feel about this. Every toner for my hair that I've tried that's supposed to be for blonde hair that Bellabox sent has done literally nothing to my hair, and it's been a waste of energy and time. Not so sure about what these are gonna be like, especially since it's a leave-in. But it says, say goodbye to bad hair days with Marc Daniels Professional curated offering of salon-worthy hair care treatments. All of their products are vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and have 0 added parabens or sulfates, meaning less irritation for your scalp and less damage to your locks. So you could have received multiple different kinds of products from Marc Daniels. Lush Luminous Blonde, which is what I got. Silky Smooth Coconut, Enhanced Define Curls, Body Bounce Volume, or Midnight Shine Charcoal. So the full sizes are $14.99 from Chemist Warehouse. You know, not exciting. Again, like, we're not off to a good start. 3 products I don't even like. I'll use it, don't think it's gonna work though. We've got our Sachet Sample. This is a Madara Organic Skincare Brightening AHA Peel Mask. It's just a mask sachet. I would have loved a better full-size mask because some of those other products it is what it is, but you know what I mean. Like,
Okay.
now, the last 2 products probably are the only things in this box I'm actually excited about. The first one is a lip liner from Mellow Cosmetics. It's full size, $16 available at their website, and it says every lipstick masterpiece needs a partner in crime. Prep, shape and define your lips with an instant release of rich saturated colour with this ultra smooth creamy lip pencil. Get ready for long lasting pout perfection. So I got the colour Harper, which looks to be brown. Really nice packaging. So the box is quite deceiving. The box is completely like brown, but the action, and same with the end of the pencil, but from what I can see it's more of like a dark mauvey purpley rusty sort of nude rather than you know, a brown. Could definitely be used under a brown lipstick, but I think it does have some purple to it, which I guess it makes it a little bit more wearable in terms of my lipstick collection. But yeah, I'm really excited to have this. You know, thank God, makeup, like, considering all the other products, like, this is $16, the box is $20, like, you know, you just made your box in this product and the next. And the next product is a So Susan Liquid Matte Lipstick. Not a massive fan of matte, but you know, I'll make it work with a lip gloss. But this one is full size, $14 from the So Susan website. It says Pucker Up Beauties. This highly pigmented liquid lipstick gives brilliant moisture without the stickiness and long-lasting colour without the flakiness. Formulated with super ingredients, this one will keep your lips hydrated, smooth and supple. You could receive the colours Pumpkin, Raisin Flesh or Chocolate Berry. I got the shade... I don't know what shade I got because it just says S on there. It doesn't have the shade on the box. So, oh, no, it doesn't. It says I got Raisin Flesh. So it's quite a pinky colour. Not something you could wear with this lip liner, I don't think, unless you wanted to deepen up the colour of the lipstick. Just a typical doe foot applicator as well. Yeah, that is the colour of the lipstick with the lip liner. Definitely a much more, you know, deeper berry pink sort of colour, a lot more wearable, which is really good. Definitely got like tons of lip glosses I could put at the top of it because it is quite matte. You could wear them together, but I just feel like the tones are a bit off and I don't think I could wear them together, which I think that they should have thought about that. Like, they should send colours that work together so you've got a whole lip look in the one box and you don't have to only use one or the other. But yeah, I'm really excited that we've got 2 lip products in the box, considering all the other products were crap. So, you know, I'm really excited that we got some makeup. But yeah, I'm not too excited about the hair toner, the wipes, and the sunscreen. Like, I hope all my sunscreen is from Bellabox because, like, they just send it every summer. They always give us bloody sunscreen samples. Even in the winter, you know, there's still sunscreen samples. But yeah, the masks, like Sachet Sample, I know it's a free sample sachet, but that's more exciting than some of the products. So, you know, the charcoal wipes, interesting, I'll try them. I have wipes, like, I don't, a wipe's a wipe, what much difference could there be, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is everything I got in this month's Bellabox. I'd love to know what you guys got in yours. And yeah, stay tuned for some videos on my channel coming up. There will be a giveaway, another one. Congratulations to my giveaway winner, Chantel. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel. See you guys.